YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know it's my channel, Heads. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another Jordan unboxing, and as you already saw from the title, this is gonna be the Jordan 5, the Olympic gold coins. And without further ado, let's get into it so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've had this in my collection for a while. This is the 2016 release. So it's time to unbox, unBS, talk about it, you know, all the above. So there you go, beautiful shoes. Yeah, we'll take it out of the box so we can talk about it. This shoe was Jordan 5's, was originally designed, and it came out in 1990 by Tinker Hatfield. So yeah. Beautiful shoe. So he took inspiration from the previous already released Jordan 3 and 4. As you can see, the panels over here are from like the 4s, you already know. And the 3M material is like the Olympic 2016 Olympic gold coins. So it was like it was made in commemoration of the Olympics. You've got your crystal clear, you know, like the lace lock. You know, that has also the gold coin accent in there. Okay, toe box. This is just a straight, clean, flat leather, no tumble. It's just very decent shoe. Black on the midsole, really clean. You've got accents of the gold over here, and there's black in the gold. It looks like a shark teeth, so pretty much they said Jordan was attacking like the shark on the field, so they made it like this. And it also looks like the World War II fighter jet. You know, the planes, how they made it. So pretty much it. On the back side, Jumpman embroidered in black. In the sole, you've got your gold Jumpman, black right here, crystal. It's becoming yellowing on me. It's becoming a little bit yellow on me because it's been sitting there for a while, but pretty much it. Crystals, and then Jumpman in yellow signifying the gold, and then there's black over here. Yeah, in the insides it says Air Jordan. Let's see, this better picture, Air Jordan. Let's see if I can put this thing right here. Shoe tree right there. All right, there you go. Insoles are out. Jordan 5, size 10. Yeah, what can you style with this shoe? I feel like it's a very clean, decent shoe. If you can find anything that has a little bit of gold, you can, you know, a touch of gold in there, I think you'll be all right, you know. But other than that, if you don't, you could do white and black. Obviously, the white and black in, you know, the colorways of the shoe kind of stands out. So the gold is just pretty much accents, you know, giving you hints on there that you could throw in there. But if you don't find the gold, you could always do black or black pants and white top, and you could do your, you know, your chains, you know, your necklaces, and you should be fine. Black cap will definitely do justice to the shoe. Yeah, I'm gonna jump into the on feet action real quick so you guys can see how it looks on feet. If you own one of this and it's been out for a while, I know it's just sitting in my collection. If you own one of these, how do you style it? How do you like it? Did you cap? Did you not cap? What's the reason why you didn't cap? Shoot me some feedback, let me know. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget, go subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. There's a lot of content that is coming. There's a lot of content already uploaded. You don't want to be a miss out if you fucks with shoes a lot. So yeah, until I see you next in my other videos, peace out. Stay tuned for the on feet.
Hey, Pete Bowler. I know for a second, y'all ain't think I was playing with y'all. This somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap if you want. Right now I'm super stupid Buddha. You should roll up a pack. There ain't no woods, you stupid loser. Who would roll up in that? Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up and laugh. Now I'm just charming like I'm charming. Now I roll up and rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. I keep some Play-Doh, call it bagels, cause it's over, you know. Finna get ugly, it's getting ugly, just retire, you got it. You niggas bug me, I'ma fire, you fly. We can lick some shots if you want.